Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will share with you simple and powerful ways to talk to your kids in English at home. Let's get started. Wake up, it's time for school. Wake up, it's time for school. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Wash your face. Wash your face. Comb your hair. Comb your hair. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Here is your breakfast. Here is your breakfast. Drink your milk. Drink your milk. Do you want to play? Do you want to play? Carefully. Play carefully. Don't fight, share your toys. Don't fight, share your toys. What color is this toy? What color is this toy? Can you count these blocks? Can you count these blocks? Use positive words every day. Good job! Good job! Well done! Well done! I am proud of you. I am proud of you. Please give me the toy. Please give me the toy. Sorry, I made a mistake. Sorry, I made a mistake. Subscribe for more videos.